Traveling can be a lot of fun, but keeping your clothes fresh and clean during your trips can be tricky, especially when you're on the go. That's where travel laundry bags come in handy. These compact bags help you separate your dirty laundry from your clean clothes, keeping everything organized and odor-free. Today, I'll be sharing my reviews of the 7 best travel laundry bags that will solve your laundry problems while traveling and make your journey hassle-free. Let's dive in. Number 1. BAGAIL Mesh Laundry Bag Set is an essential for anyone looking to protect their delicates while traveling. Made from a durable polyester mesh fabric, this 5-piece set includes different sizes to cater to various clothing items, from lingerie to shirts and socks. The breathable mesh allows air circulation, helping to reduce odor buildup while keeping your clothes safe from damage in the wash. Its sturdy zipper ensures that your items stay secure while being washed, preventing them from getting snagged or tangled. Plus, the bags are lightweight and foldable, making them super easy to pack in your luggage without taking up much space. The bags are also machine washable, which makes maintenance a breeze. Overall, the BAGAIL mesh laundry bags are practical, effective, and perfect for travel. Not only do these bags help with delicate garments, but they also offer a level of organization during your trip. You can separate your clean clothes from the dirty ones easily, helping to keep everything neat in your suitcase. For anyone looking for a reliable and affordable option for laundry protection on the go, the BAGAIL Mesh Laundry Bag Set is a fantastic choice.
Still wasting money on ads that get ignored? Let influencers tell your story. Promotional Pack connects your e-com brand to the right niche influencer to reach your target audience. Get more sales with less spent. Link in description.
Number 2. GOGOODA's Mesh Laundry Bags Set is another excellent choice for travelers seeking to protect their delicates during laundry. With 7 bags in various sizes, this set provides ample options for separating clothes by type or fabric. The bags are constructed from high-quality mesh material that is both durable and breathable, ensuring your clothes stay safe while washing and drying. The bags come with strong, rust-resistant zippers that prevent the bags from opening during a wash cycle, keeping your items secure. The zipper closure is smooth and easy to use, which makes the entire laundry process effortless. Whether you're washing bras, socks, or scarves, the GOGOODA laundry bags provide the perfect protection to keep your delicates from damage or stretching. For travelers, a lightweight design and versatility of the GOGOODA set make it a must-have. Each bag is designed to fold up easily, making them space-efficient when you're packing for your trip. The bags can be used not only for laundry, but also for organizing small travel items, such as shoes or toiletries, which adds to their versatility. Whether you're heading out for a weekend getaway or a long vacation, these laundry bags are a reliable and practical option. Number 3. HOMEST XL Travel Laundry Bag Set is perfect for those looking for a larger solution to carry dirty laundry while traveling. Unlike the small mesh bags, these 2 extra-large bags provide a significant amount of space to hold everything from clothes to towels, making them ideal for longer trips or families on the go. Constructed from a strong, durable fabric, these bags are designed to handle heavy loads and withstand regular use without fraying or tearing. One of the standout features of these bags is their ability to hold a large volume of laundry without compromising durability. The XL size is especially beneficial for travelers who need to keep multiple changes of clothes or bulky items in one bag. Additionally, the bags are designed to fold flat, making them easy to store in your suitcase when not in use, saving valuable space in your luggage. In terms of usability, the HOMEST XL Travel Laundry Bag offers great value. The bags are washable and easy to clean, meaning you won't have to worry about maintenance when you're on the move. Whether you're using them to separate dirty clothes or keep your clothes organized while traveling, these large bags are a practical solution for handling laundry during your trips. Number 4. Muchfun's Honeycomb Mesh Laundry Bags are a smart and stylish way to protect your clothes while traveling. Made with a unique honeycomb pattern, these bags provide extra strength and protection compared to traditional mesh bags. The honeycomb design not only helps maintain the shape of your garments, but also increases air circulation, preventing clothes from becoming musty or smelly during storage. The bags are made from high-quality, durable polyester mesh that's both lightweight and strong. The robust zipper ensures that your clothes stay secure inside the bag, reducing the risk of snagging or damage during washing. In addition, the bags are designed to be machine washable, making them easy to care for when you're traveling. Whether you're packing for a short weekend trip or a long vacation, these bags are perfect for keeping your laundry safe and organized. Muchfun's Honeycomb mesh laundry bags also offer a practical and space-saving solution for keeping your travel clothes in good condition. The lightweight design means you can easily fold them into your suitcase without taking up much room, and the breathable mesh keeps your clothes fresh during the journey. Number 5. Polecasa large mesh laundry bag with drawstring is a single but highly functional option for travelers looking to organize their laundry. Unlike traditional zippered bags, this large mesh bag features a drawstring closure that allows you to cinch it shut, preventing any clothes from spilling out. Made from durable and breathable mesh, it offers excellent ventilation, ensuring your dirty laundry doesn't become a source of unpleasant odors during your travels. With a spacious design, this bag can easily hold a week's worth of clothes, making it perfect for long trips. The high-quality fabric ensures durability, and it's strong enough to handle even heavier items like towels or jackets. The drawstring feature provides ease of use and can be adjusted to fit the bag's contents, making it a flexible solution for different laundry needs. This bag is especially useful for those looking for a lightweight, simple, and functional laundry solution. Its compact design makes it easy to pack and store in your luggage when not in use, and the drawstring closure keeps everything secure. Number 6. Polecasa's fine mesh laundry bags for delicates provide a high level of protection for your most delicate garments. Made from a fine mesh fabric, these bags are ideal for items like lingerie, hosiery, and other sensitive fabrics that require gentle washing. The bag's fine weave ensures that clothes are protected from the harshness of the washing machine, while allowing detergent and water to flow freely through the mesh, ensuring a thorough clean. The bags come with strong, rust-resistant zippers that keep everything securely inside during the wash cycle, preventing any garments from escaping or getting tangled with other laundry. They are also machine washable, so cleaning the bags themselves is incredibly easy. This 3-piece set includes different sizes, making it versatile enough to handle various types of delicates, from bras to socks. Travelers will appreciate how lightweight and compact these laundry bags are. When not in use, they fold down easily, taking up minimal space in your suitcase or bag. These bags are perfect for maintaining the integrity of your clothes while traveling, and they're durable enough to withstand repeated use. Finally, number 7. QiNZiN Lingerie laundry bags are a specialized option designed to keep your intimate garments in top condition while traveling. This 3-pack set includes 3 bags made from soft yet durable mesh that's gentle on fabrics, but tough enough to withstand the rigors of a washing machine. The bags feature a high-quality zipper closure that prevents your clothes from getting tangled or damaged during washing. These bags are perfect for lingerie, stockings, or other delicate items. The soft mesh provides ample protection, ensuring that delicate fabrics like lace and silk aren't harmed by rough washing cycles. The breathable design allows for efficient cleaning, ensuring that your clothes are thoroughly washed while retaining their shape and integrity. The lightweight design and compact size make them easy to pack in your luggage, and the bags are machine washable for easy care. Overall, the QiNZiN Lingerie laundry bags are an excellent choice for travelers who want to keep their intimate garments safe and organized. And there you have it, the 7 best travel laundry bags to keep your clothes safe, clean, and organized on the go. Whether you're protecting delicates or simply keeping your laundry separate, these bags offer effective solutions for every type of traveler. Don't forget to check out the links below for more details on each product. Safe travels!